Sanibonani bantu baseNingizimu Afrika, igama lami nguMusa waKaMseleku, ovela lapha kuThando Nesithembu. Yazi ngiyahlupheka. Zonke izinsuku abantu bayaskema abantu, bayabafraud abantu, bazenza mina, bavele baveza ividiyo kube sengathi mina ngingakhulumi, umuntu acaba ukuthi ukhuluma nami uMseleku. Gadani ku-TikTok, gadani ku-Facebook, gadani ku-Instagram. Akumina lokho, alikho ibhizinisi engilenza nabantu. So makwenzekile umuntu wakuskema ezenza mina, namanje kade ngifonelwa omunye umuntu lapha engitshela ukuthi hey, ku-TikTok kuyabhiziwa, kuskenywa abantu ngenxa yakho. Once kwathiwa mina ngifuna si-investe, ngifuna senze imali okwazi ukuthi amanga lawo, I don't do that business ku-TikTok. Ngiyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Almost Mseleku polygamist is sending out a very strong message to people. Go say aningaxolwa or using igama lakhe akana business akana lutho. There are people abasebenzisa platform betakhe ukuze baqole abantu. Uthi Nkosi yami if kuyakwendakalela lokho, just know ukuthi it's not him. Nkosi yami anibe ni careful, nibe watch out, or something really doesn't make sense. I don't know ukubona umuntu atebota ngamusa Mseleku kumbe TikTok ubone ukuthi we, but still bantu batoqolwa ngilo muntu loyo. Ubute ukuthi mara abantu ba right, mara awuboni mara ukuthi lo muntu akusuye uMusa or akusuye lelo celebrity lezama kutenda lona. Please guys, ibani watch out man. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.